Info terkini World Water Forum ke-10 di Bali.
Ya, pemirsa dan pendengar RRI Net, saat ini saya sudah bersama dengan Sekretaris Jenderal Persatuan Pemerintah Kota dan Lokal, Ibu Emilia Said. How are you, Miss Amelia?
I'm wonderful. I'm very happy to be with you.
Thank you. I'm more than happy. So, as the Secretary General of the UCLG, how do you see about this forum here in Indonesia so far?
Well, it's a very impressive forum. First of all, you can see the huge network that Indonesia has as a country. So you can really see many delegations that are here. It's very impressive. But also, I think the level of discussions is really very good. And everybody is feeling very comfortable in these exchanges. So we're very happy to be here representing local and regional governments.
Okay, so as Indonesia as a host of the WWF forum this year, and Indonesia took a theme as a water for shared prosperity. So as the representative of the local and cities government, how do you see about this theme in line with what's happening in the ground?
Yes. Look, that's the reason why we are here, because the challenges that we have are too big for any sphere of government to handle alone. So for us, it is very important that governments such as the Indonesian government are giving a lot of importance to the issue of water. We really celebrate that. We work very well with many national governments around the world. But as local and regional governments, the reality is that there is not enough investment being made at local level. There is not enough capacity building, and there are not enough financial mechanisms that are adequate for the scale of problems at local level. And this is the case in most countries of the world. This is not particular to Indonesia. It happens everywhere. And this is why we want to connect what is happening in the ground with the broader discussions on water. You need to have a global discussion about water, but you also need a local one. And that is the perspective that we come to bring here.
Okay, so if you could elaborate more about the commitment from the local and cities government in terms of the water management.
There are several things. One aspect is taking care of water and making sure that we have enough water. And for that, all the policies need to be sustainable. We need to use less water. We need to recycle more. We need to pollute less water. So that's one thing. And that is something that local governments are very committed to do with communities, making sure that communities understand that water is not endless. You know, it's a limited good. Then the second part is ensuring that people have access to water. We need water to live. Water is a human right, and if it is a human right, then we need to make sure that everybody has access. And as you know very well, not only here in Indonesia, but around the world, billions of people do not have access to clean water every day. So for local governments, ensuring the infrastructure that reaches everyone is extremely important.
So you've mentioned about the budgeting in every local and cities governments. That's not really, I mean, like not in a big amount, something like that. How to urge them to do better?
Well, I think certainly we urge our members to do better and to get more engaged in this. But there is also a part of finding new financial mechanisms. There needs to be more investment from development banks in water infrastructure. There needs to be more lending for water infrastructure from the international institutions like the World Bank. National banks also need to invest more in that infrastructure. National governments also need to allow local governments to develop their own resources to invest more in water. So it's no one single solution. There are new mechanisms that are needed, different type of investment, and more commitments from the national sphere of government that go directly to local government.
Okay, I would like to touch a little bit about the declaration of the UCLG here during the forum. Could you explain us more about that? Yeah.
Yes. Well, for us the forum is not an event only, it is a policy process. So we have been asking our members around the world what their main challenges are and what are the solutions that they want to bring and to bring to the discussion. And some of the issues we just discussed, this different investment in water is one of them. Also, the need to stimulate collaboration and learning between local governments around the world. So city-to-city cooperation, decentralized cooperation, learning from each other in different countries. Because water is not listening to boundaries. It's transnational. It's cyclical and it is global. So learning from each other is extremely important. Then the commitment to ensure that water reaches everyone is very important. Also those parts of the city that are not formal, so the informal settlements, the slums, they also need access to water, and we are committed to ensure that we facilitate that. And finally, there is an engagement from our side to involve communities in decision making. None of this can happen. The transformations that we need are so big that we need to do it together. And consulting communities about their future and about how to deal with the natural resources, the common goods that are from everybody, are very critical.
So my last question would be, how does this forum, World Water Forum, support UCLG to also support the SDGs, which one of the terms is about the water?
Yeah. I really like that question because what we always say is, for us, for local and regional governments organized globally, the global agenda is one single agenda, and it's a universal agenda. And when we say that it's one single agenda, is that local governments cannot look at the international agendas around peace, SDGs, climate change, biodiversity, as if they are all divided. They are the same agenda. When you are in a neighborhood, you need to deal with all of these things in one go. For us, a forum like this one emphasizes the importance of local service provision around water and management of water, and putting local service provision at the heart of the international discussion allows us to connect the sustainable development goals with the local agenda at city level. It makes that connection, and hopefully it will help us to convince the international community that we need more competencies, more capacity, and more investment.
Okay, Ms. Amelia, do you have something to add before we close?
No, I'm just one thing maybe. I'm very grateful that media is taking an interest in this type of a story, that you take an interest in deeper stories and not only on the things that just happen from time to time in cities. I think we need to look in depth to the realities of communities everywhere and make this kind of solution making also worthwhile telling. So thank you very much for your work.
Thank you very much, Miss Amelia. Demikian pemirsa dan pendengar RRI, wawancara saya dengan Sekretaris Jenderal Persatuan Pemerintah Kota dan juga Lokal, Ibu Amelia Said. Sampai jumpa.
Demikian info terkini World Water Forum ke-10 di Bali.